So my issue with Windows was that when I clicked on the menu, I didn't have this classic menu. When I pressed the start button, I didn't get the start menu at all. Nothing was happening at all. And when I opened the clipboard was not opening at all, this clipboard. So how I fixed it, I simply used this program. Win Area Tweaker, classic full context menu. I ticked this. And then after a short time I unticked it, so it is now like you can see, and this fixed the issue. And I tried lots of things and this fixed the issue. I hope this will help you. It will not solve all your problems and it will not work for everyone, but if it works for you, you know, thank you for watching and for liking the video and sharing it with others. Yeah, take care.